Ever wondered why your tea tastes bitter or your coffee feels flat, even with the best beans or leaves? Today, we're diving into the top electric tea kettles with temperature control that fix that exact problem. Welcome to my channel. Check the links in the description to grab yours. On number 7 is Fellow Stagg EKG. What if I told you that one kettle could actually change the way you think about making tea or coffee? That is exactly what the Fellow Stagg EKG does. At first glance, it looks sleek and minimalistic, but once you try it, you realize why it consistently shows up in discussions about the top electric tea kettles with temperature control. Here is the deal: most people struggle with inconsistent water heat, leading to bitter tea or flat coffee. This kettle solves that problem with its to-the-degree temperature precision and quick heating. The gooseneck spout gives you absolute control, unlike bulkier options like the Bonavita, which sometimes feel less refined. The pros are stunning design, accurate control, and real brewing confidence. The cons are a smaller 0.9-liter capacity, which might not suit big families. For anyone serious about brewing, this feels like a smart investment worth every drop. At number 6 is Bonavita Digital Variable Temperature. What if I told you that your morning tea could actually taste completely different, simply because of water temperature? That is where the Bonavita Digital Variable Temperature Kettle steps in. At $99.99, it feels like you are buying peace of mind rather than just a kettle. Here is the problem most people face: water that is either too hot or too cool, leaving your tea harsh or your coffee flat. With Bonavita, you get 1-degree precision from 140 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, plus the ability to hold that heat for up to 60 minutes. That is a relief in a cup. Compared to others, this one may look less stylish, but its presets and digital display make it more beginner-friendly. The pros are reliable control, strong build, and fair pricing. The cons are it could boil a little faster. On number 5 is Cuisinart Electric Kettle. Did you know that the wrong water temperature can ruin even the best tea leaves? That is exactly why the Cuisinart Electric Kettle stands out in the world of precision brewing. At $99.95, it promises more than just boiling water, it promises peace of mind. With 1,500 watts of power, this kettle heats up quickly, tackling the common frustration of long wait times. Its 1.7-liter capacity is perfect for families, while the 6 preset heat settings make it simple to brew delicate teas, bold coffees, or even quick meals with confidence. Compared to others, which excels in accuracy, the Cuisinart shines with convenience and larger capacity. The pros are speed, presets, and family-friendly size. The cons are slightly bulkier design. At number 4 is COSORI Electric Gooseneck Kettle. What if your kettle could actually sync with your smartphone and make brewing effortless? That is exactly what the COSORI Electric Gooseneck Kettle delivers. At $77.99, it feels like stepping into the future of tea and coffee making. Here is the issue: most kettles only give you basic boiling, leaving you guessing about exact heat. COSORI fixes that with 1-degree precision from 104 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, all controlled through the VeSync app. You can even schedule boils or use baby formula mode for peace of mind. Compared to the other, which shines with presets, COSORI wins on smart functions and convenience. The pros are smart control, precision, and food-grade stainless steel build. The cons are smaller 0.85 quart capacity. On number 3 is Chefman Digital Glass Kettle. Ever thought a kettle could double as a showpiece for your kitchen? The Chefman Digital Glass Kettle does exactly that. At $64.39, it brings both elegance and performance into one sleek design. Here is the problem many tea lovers face: waiting too long for water to boil and never really knowing when it is ready. Chefman solves this with bright LED lights that glow as the water heats, giving you visual reassurance. The borosilicate glass body feels premium, and the included tea infuser adds extra value for anyone who loves loose-leaf brewing. Compared to others, which shines with smart app control, Chefman wins on affordability and aesthetics. The pros are quick boil, stylish glass, and user-friendly design. The cons are less precise than higher-end models. At number 2 is KRUPS Smart Temperature. What if I told you that brewing the perfect cup of tea or coffee could be as simple as pressing one button? The KRUPS Smart Temp Kettle proves it. At $80.44, it strikes a balance between precision and practicality. Here is the challenge most people face: guessing the right temperature for different teas. Too hot, and your green tea turns bitter. Too cool, and your coffee feels flat. With 5 customizable settings from 105 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, KRUPS removes that guesswork. Compared to the others, which lean on visual flair, KRUPS focuses on control and real-world comfort. The pros are double wall safety, stainless steel interior for pure taste, and a roomy 1.7-liter capacity. The cons are fewer smart features. Now moving to the last one is OXO Brew Adjustable Temperature. Imagine brewing tea so precise that every sip tastes exactly as it should: smooth, rich, and balanced. That is what the OXO Brew Adjustable Temperature Kettle promises. At $101.55, it is designed for people who want complete control without the stress. Here is the common problem: kettles that only boil, leaving you to guess the right heat. With OXO, you get temperature adjustment from 104 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, displayed clearly on a backlit screen. The 1.75-liter capacity makes it perfect for households, while its borosilicate glass gives peace of mind with durability and safety. Compared to others, which focus on presets, OXO wins with flexibility and elegance. The pros are precision, large capacity, and safe design. The cons are pricier. If I had to crown one winner, it would be the Fellow Stagg EKG. Here's why: while others excel in presets, smart features, or size, the Stagg EKG nails what truly matters: precision, speed, and control. Its to-the-degree accuracy and sleek gooseneck design give you mastery over every brew, whether tea or coffee. Yes, it has a smaller capacity, but if quality and consistency matter more than bulk, this kettle is hands down the smartest investment for serious brewers. So guys, this was the video about the top 7 best electric tea kettle temperature control. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.